lot of people in the world don't know what is slacklining is. They never seen this before. Slacklining is a line 5 centimeters tied between two fixed points like a tree or poles. First you walk, and then if you want, you can do jumps. You can fly, you know. It's a good feeling. I'm 18 years old. I started when I was 13. I was like, what is this? He can do and I can. So I started. It was just for fun. But now, like, I'm 2 times world champion. So now it's kind of like a job, you know, slacklining. If you love your job, you never work or something, you know. Of course, we are like athletes. We are athletes. Not only the body, the mind. I like a lot of sports in the Olympics, but it's different. Our sport is like freestyle, no? It's freestyle. We go to the beach and you can swim and then you back and you do slacklining. Get tan. Every time I travel and I'm back to Rio, I'm like, look where I live. It's so beautiful.